Okay, so setting up under the Smith machine, we want to use 2 plates to elevate our starting position. This will allow us to increase the range that we can actually achieve with our glute. From here, thinking about leaning in toward the front foot so we can create as much hip flexion as possible as the back foot goes backwards. Hip flexion here is very important, creating that crease at the hip so we can stretch our glute as much as we can. We don't want to stay upright. As you'll see here, our knee will be traveling forward, and the more the knee travels forward, the more quads we're going to include in the movement. But we want more glutes here, so we want to keep our chest pinned down toward the floor. We also want to avoid using any half reps as best we can, as will limit the amount of tension that we can build on our glute throughout the entirety of the movement. Setting at your starting position, making sure that we reverse all of the way back with that back foot, allowing ourselves to come deep down into the stretch, nice and slow, keeping your tempo smooth and controlled, and making sure we're creating as much hip flexion here, as much crease in the hip as possible.